Happy Friday, my friends. Welcome back to another daily work from home job lead video. Today I have a job lead processing insurance documents paying up to $24 an hour. They don't require any kind of college degree whatsoever. We're going to dive all in. The links to both the pages that I'm sharing are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you enjoy any of my job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, a like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with all your friends and family. And I just want to say that if you are celebrating this upcoming holiday weekend and holiday on Monday for Labor Day, please be safe but have a fabulous time. Today's job lead is from the company Assurant. Assurant has over 3,000 reviews, or right at 3,000 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a process specialist. Now, this is a virtual remote for the United States only. This is a full-time position, but their processing specialist handles insurance documents on behalf of their financial institution. You'll directly impact timelines and accuracy of homeowners' property insurance claim. So these insurance documents are specifically mortgage homeowners related, but they're looking for somebody to process documents accurately and in a timely manner, making sure that the insurance coverage for the homeowners are up to the client's satisfaction goals. You're going to be doing things like identifying the policy type, determining the appropriate action that's needed. For example, PUD, townhome, flood, wind, whatever kind of insurance. You'll make appropriate updates to the database in order to meet the regulatory obligations, making timely premium payments from established escrow accounts to ensure that those homeowners' policies continue coverage and don't lapse. So you'll manage multiple demands and competing priorities. Now, it does say you'll be professional in all your communications, but this is a lot of non-phone work. This is not a call center job, so I imagine you may have to, from time to time, pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls, requesting additional information from parties, but most of this is going to be non-phone. Now, again, they're not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, basic computer skills, and 1 year of data or document processing experience. That is it. Now, they do prefer somebody who has great attention to detail, and if you have experience in banking, finance, or mortgage, that is great, but not required. Pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay is anywhere from $15.25 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. One thing I want to say about pay is when companies give this range, they do have the ability to go all the way up to the end of that range. So if they offer you something on the lower end, please be negotiating those salaries. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and please have a safe and happy holiday weekend.